Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Sport. Under the hood, we have a 2.4-liter i4 multi-air engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in true blue, and it looks fantastic. You got the Jeep logo right up front in the chrome with the chrome accenting. You do also have bifunction projector-style headlights, and they are very bright. Now coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims. Still tons of tread left on them. They look great. You got the Cherokee logo there, and you do have your mirrors there in the black. Now coming around the back here, we do have the Sport logo and the Jeep logo, as well as if you press this button, it will open up for you as long as it's unlocked. There's tons of room back here, lots and lots of storage. It is very soft as well, so nothing being scratched up or wrecked if you put it back here. You can lift this up, and you do have a pump back here to fill up those tires if it does go flat, and you can push those seats forward as well. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do got our panic button right up there. But let's unlock and jump on in. Now on the door here, you do have that silver accenting on the door, on the handle, sorry. You do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here. Handle here, and some storage right down here. It is very soft over here as well to put your arm on. And it is a very nice interior. These seats are very comfortable with the 2 different colors. It gives it a very nice look. And you got that stitching accent as well. Now over here we do have the controls over our lights. So we have our off, our on, and our daytime running lights, as well as our low beam. And then we do have our in-cabin light right here. And then we have the controls over our turning signals and our high beams right there. Okay, we're in the vehicle now. Let's start her up. So key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We do also have the temperature outside and what gear we're in. And then we can change the speedometer in the middle there from that to the vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, audio, messages, screen setup, and back to our speedometer. That is controlled from our steering wheel here with our call out button, voice recognition, and hang up button for our Bluetooth. Horn in the center, and our cruise control options on the other side here. Right over here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers as well as our rear windshield wiper. Now in the center here we do have a 5-inch touchscreen display, so we have AM and FM, as well as you got a media tab if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth, your USB, your aux cord, or your SD card. You also got your phone options if you do have one hooked up. You got your compass, tell you which way you're going. You have your settings, and you also have your more to see your clock or the temperature outside. Down here you have your volume up and down, as well as the mute, the screen off, the back button, and the browser right there. A little bit of additional storage in here. And then you also have the climate control down here, so the power up and down, circulation. You have the heat as well as the AC, and then where it's going to blow out of, plus the rate frost. You also have your traction control and your hazard lights. And then right down here we have a bit of storage with our SD card slot, our USB, our aux cord, and a 12-volt plug-in. You can also pull this down, that is our gear shift. And then you do have your parking brake here, so your electric parking brake, as long as your foot is on the brake, you just pull it back. Now we are in park, and then you push it forward, and now we're out of park. You have 2 cup holders here, and you have your armrest, which is very soft, very comfortable. It is a dual layer, so you got the top layer there, and bottom layer right there with some plugins as well. And then over here we do have a locking glove box with our owner's manual and tons of room inside of it. Up here you do get this guy, which is like a little sunglass holder, or you can put something in there. And then you do have another sunglass holder right up top here with your lights. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here we have that same silver accenting. You got the controls over your windows handle here, and that same very soft. And you got some storage down here. You can put a water bottle or something in there. It is the same material as the front, so it is very comfortable. It'll be good for long car trips, and you do have the same look to it, as well as you do have that stitching. You can pull this guy down, and you do have an armrest with some cup holders. And you can also fold this right down. Pull that. And there you go. Now you have it even more room in the back. And there's our 2.4-liter multi-air engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2015 Jeep Cherokee Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.